I'm John Rippel. I've been designing and hand making my jewelry here in Santa Fe for over 30 years. My first buckle that I made was in my dad's garage. I took a hacksaw and a drill and a vise and a big chunk of brass and made a buckle for my dad for his holster. I noticed a lot of guys, speaking again of belt buckles, wanted something they could wear back home in the office or back on the East Coast and not feel like they had to have cowboy boots and a hat on to go with it. So I got into more contemporary, clean lines, planished, polished surfaces. And I do think one of the things people appreciate or mention is, the weight of the piece, the quality of the finish. That they can see a difference between that and some of the more common things they'll run across here in town.